Toolbox edition this week. Mayhew dual drive 11-piece metric bit set. Mayhew dual drive 11-piece torque set. They are not very tall, so to get into tight places with the wrench, that ought to do the trick. The hex goes from 2 to 13 millimeters, and the torch goes from 10 to 55, T55, so they ought to come in handy. The complete torque set you can use with an 11 millimeter. The hex set up to 10 millimeter is used with the 11 millimeter wrench, and then the 12 and 13 is used with the 13 millimeter wrench. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. All right, let's see where they can go. Guess right there on top of the old gear wrench. Nice little addition.